Hello everybody, I am Joanne from Ningbo, Colorido. Last time I tell you we will make ICC this week. Now we are making. Here it's for cotton socks. Socks is really small. Like say it's just a very limited area, so it's very difficult to find similar fabric. We try to find some closed fabric to match. Look here, those fabric is what we got, and also now we are doing the color swatch match. ICC is really important because ICC make the color match the pictures, match the designs. Also, it's the output let our printer recognize the colors, what the screen color shows, try to match them. ICC also, if the ICC not good or ICC the color is not match the design, the color is the final printing color will be really terrible. Now we are trying to scan those color watch here. Look here, this is our engineer. Now it's doing. After those scan those step by step, final we will get the ICC profile. Then we will use for our cotton socks or poly socks. It will let the printers print very good color. The perfect color is when you see from the screen what is the color, then it print the correct color. That's matched perfectly like that. In last few years, we use photo print as our rip, but recently we found the new stamper is better, so we try to get this new stamper to as our new rip. This is the top brand of the world. It's very good for textile printing. In fact, today and last week, this whole week, we try to test the new stamper. I think in the future, we will get our customers at least two options. One is PP and one is new stamper. If a customer more interested in the better color, then we will give them new stamper. Of course, the price is higher than PP. I will show you how it's the difference of this new rip. Okay, I will show you what's the difference between these two rips. In fact, if you leave this alone and just see this color, then you also feel it's good. But when you compare, you will see it's quite different. Look here. We print on two different materials. This one is same material. This two is same material. Look here. Look here. You can see This one looks background dirty like, but this one blur also, but this one very clean, very clean. And you can qualify qualify easily, but this one feels looks like blur. Also, like those bottom color, it's not so clear. Look like a little black on that, but in fact it should be like this. Also, I will show you another material. This one is another material. The surface is quite flat, but you see the color. Look here, it's a little dirty and blackish, but this one, it's really clear, really clear. But if you just see this, no comparison, I think it's acceptable. We will, after we finish this ICC, we always share with our customers, so make them get better and better colors.